Hi guys, welcome back. So this is part 2 of the long root structure, and as you can see I've got the next 3 gutters in place and they've all been filled up and are ready to be planted. So they're all directed into this barrel which is full of water. So if any of the roots do come out the bottom, they'll sit in the water. They are 6.2 meters long and currently got 6 of them. Do have space for another 2, so if I get the gutters I'll add them in, but I doubt that'll be this year. So I've got them resting on these battens. This one lifts up when the top 3 aren't in, so we can take the bottom 3 out, and then again in the middle here resting on the battens, and I just put a screw with a washer on it there, so this batten just lifts up out. And all this is built above the 3 compost bays. And I've used blacked out perspex so they don't get too much light. Should help with the root growth. And these are the ones sown the beginning of last month. We've got long black beetroot in the back there from Medwins of Anglesey, Viking parsnip again from Medwins of Anglesey, and the long carrot 3050, they're from Medwin's own selection. And top 3 just ready to be planted up. Right then guys, so in the far back one I'm going to be sowing some radish molly, just put 3 or 4 seeds in each. And then parsnip, we're going Gladiator F1. These are again from Medwins of Anglesey. And these are the pelleted seeds. They're supposed to help with germination. Again, just put 4 in there. And the carrot is the own selection from Medwins of Anglesey again. This is my first attempt at growing any long roots. And hopefully we'll get something over 1.5 meters long so we can take to the show with us, Melbourne show in September. Right then guys, so that's them 3 sown. Just give these a quick watering. And I'll just soak them a couple of times over the day. Make sure it stays nice and moist. And then I'll come up every morning and just spray them down, and do the same in the evening if the spray decides to work, just to make sure they don't dry out. And eventually I will sort out a drip irrigation system for in here, but for now I'll just do it by hand. Right then guys, so that's about it for this one. Part 2 of long roots. Hopefully we get some nice long ones. And if you haven't already, please consider hitting that subscribe button. It doesn't cost anything and it really helps out the channel. And please let me know in the comments if you're growing any competition veg this year, as it's my first year and I could do with all the tips and advice I can get. So thanks for watching guys, bye for now.